Come on, he got me again.
Shakes with that.
You don't make the house. You might.
Yeah, I know.
Did you get C-section?
No, not lemon, some shake.
Right.
Is that
You typing away, taking stress from your voice, and you got this nigga right here.
It just makes no sense.
You got some pills?
You ain't gonna get seen.
I got the thing.
Yeah, you
You
had
got
it.
niggas who cheat. The man's on both. Girl, now I think that's the
Did you get sick the next morning?
I think that
No, I was sick that
got a
night all
friend,
day,
and you
all day.
fuck your best friend, girl, you really need to be shot.
You got that Jamaican rap.
That nigga said if you mess with your best friend's girl, you need to be shot.
Hey, one more. Hey, I'm telling you, she get one more drink, she would be like, not the boy like that. Not the boy. She gonna get it in. Hey, for real. Hey, for real, so you don't really get fucked up tonight. Like, C6, we can pull the boat up closer to land, so it'll be like, boom, and it won't be like this.
Wow, wow.
The economy
You leave it like that, hey, you leave it like that, it's gonna be wobbling tonight. You wake up in the morning, you go like this.
I just can't do it like I used to. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I used to take 5. I pay a
We leaving for Lake Erie Friday.
Lake Erie.